Hello, my name is Cheryl McAuliffe, and I am the Executive Director of Social Work with Grand Canyon University's College of Humanities and Social Sciences. Today, I want to share one of our unique master's programs and what pursuing it can mean for you. Our Masters of Social Work program can prepare students to apply social work competencies, values, and ethics when helping individuals, families, and communities overcome various social and mental health issues. Created with convenience in mind, our MSW program is available online and in evening cohorts. At GCU, we cater to the demands of working professionals and want to ensure that you can pursue your degree without having to pause your career. Our online and evening students have access to many of the same benefits as our traditional students, including qualified faculty members and administrative leadership, accommodating payment plans, scholarship opportunities, technical support, and valuable resources. Students enrolled in GCU's MSW program will complete 20 courses, including evidence-based practice, social work advocacy, human behavior, diversity and social justice, social welfare policy, and psychopathology. In addition to taking courses, students must complete 960 hours of internship experience. If you are working in a social work organization, you may be able to use your employment towards some of those hours. This comprehensive program focuses on a generalist and advanced social work practice to shape students into social work practitioners who can provide a wide range of services and engage with diverse populations. Upon graduation, MSW students will have been taught the knowledge and skills needed to diagnose and treat issues, provide access to resources, and improve the lives of others. For more information on GCU's MSW program, please visit the link provided on the screen.